Hey guys, today, let's learn how to enable always on display on your iPhone. So if you guys want to go ahead and enable the always on display on your iPhone, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys step by step just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. So all we need to do first is to actually make sure that you are using an iPhone 14 or an iPhone 14 Pro or Pro Max. Basically, the always on display is only available for these units. If you are using other units below the iPhone 14 or iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Maxes, this feature won't be available for you. But for those iPhone 14 users, of course, if you want to go ahead, enable always on your iPhone, all we need to do to go on over onto these settings option right here and tap on display and brightness. Now, the always on feature is gonna be located right here, and all we need to do from here, tap on that setting and basically enable it. Basically gonna be located somewhere here on your devices. So go ahead and just enable that option to enable always on display on your iPhone. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.